Don't touch anything. Everything you see in here is either haunted, cursed, or been used in some sort of ritualistic practice. Nothing's a toy. Not even the toys.
How many cases you guys had?
Cases?
My name is Ed Warren, here with my wife Lorraine.
Maybe 1,000.
Every case is different. Every family's different.
Once we start, there's no going back. Anything can happen. And most likely anything will.
Something's changed. Something's different.
Son of the Holy Spirit, we cast you out! You won't open! By the power of our Lord Jesus Christ!
We've been waiting so patiently for you.